asks another king, how many people do you govern? But if God speaks to a king, he asks, how many people are you helping?
Even the dry leaves cry out when trodden on. Why should not the trodden man cry out? It is better to give life than to take life. If you give life, you do what God does. If you take life, you do what Satan does.
Some men are better than others, but there is no man so good as God, and no one so bad as the devil. Some people are dressed in silk and satin, and others are dressed in rags. Very often that is the only difference between man and